That big wide body with them fatties on it. Big wide body.
My grill fell off. That's great.
Bro, what the hell? Big wide body, boy. What is good, YouTube? Man, I know it's been a minute. I want to say upon, the mishaps with the fuel pump and the starter going bad on the car, it's been about a good 3 weeks since we have dropped a video. And I know it's been a minute, but hey, we're back, we're active, the fuel pump is up and going, and we got the starter replaced. So now we're actually on some more of doing like the performance work on the engine, doing the modifications. But as for today, and as you can see by the thumbnail, we is going to our first Houston car meet, and it's actually hosted by Houston Whipz. If you guys follow them on Instagram, that's all of their locations, all of their meets popping up, coming up next, upcoming meets type stuff. But yeah, as y'all can see, we is at the gas station filling up the big boat, getting ready for the day. Cause we always have this is like our second home. I'm gonna tell you again, this is our second home. But yeah, let me see. Oh yeah, we got fuel and everything. We is gravy for the night, my boy. Yes, sirski. Man, they got a firefighter coming down this way. Dude, gas almost $3. 1 more cent. Look at that boy, Big GA. Big GA, stop playing with him. Oh my God. I hope everybody okay. Man, stop playing. GH of Houston. And y'all gotta check out the work done on this. Man, this thing is highly modified with the headers and the freaking big air intake. Man, this thing sounds so freaking sick. What you doing, boy? You over there munching hard as hell? Goddamn, my nigga. Yeah, my nigga fall out the sides and everything. But I don't know if I did in my previous video. But as y'all can see, I got the badgie on now. So we finna start getting up there with the performance and the speed and everything. So we finna get right. And yeah. I can't remember. No, yeah, I did have the white bumper in the last video. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get up with y'all once we start going towards the meet location. We're actually pulling up there right now. I started at 7 o'clock, but it's like 7:30 right now. So we're not the first ones there. We're actually gonna have some people there already there by the time we get there. Oh yeah, let me show y'all. Gotta get that start for y'all. Woo! Man, with that. Woo! We're fixing the fuel pump. I'm fixing the starter on it. Man, this thing sounds a whole lot better, and it flows way more better throughout the system. And then on top of that, I actually have my remote start now. It's working, and we is up and we is getting active with it. But yeah, we're actually gonna go ahead and take off from the store right now, because we don't want it to get too dark. We want to get some extra live footage in for you guys. What the heck? But as far as that, make sure y'all hit that like button, make sure y'all subscribe, and leave a comment on today's video. And yes sir. Oh my God, it's been a whole man. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I actually got the fuel pump replaced a week after it had went out. So I haven't drove the car for a full week, but we was back active behind it, and I just haven't had the time to drop a video. But now, I'm getting back with it, and I'm gonna make sure I drop a video for you guys today for sure. Woo! I wonder how that hum sounds. Woo! Yes, sir. Man, I love it. big G8. Big G8. Oh! God dang. Man, that's the one thing about having a lowered freaking car, man. You gotta deal with whenever you're coming up out them dang freaking exits and everything. But yeah, we finna go ahead and get on this highway and get to it. Woo! Let's go! Oh my God! Look at that wide body though. Look at that wide body. Oh my God! Oh my God! That boy got him some competition! Oh my God! That thing looks so lovely! Woo! Big body! I swear we literally just hopped on the highway, we're ready to get an accident. That's wild. Woo! Get him, boy! Get him! Let's go! Let's freaking go, man! Oh my God, that freaking wide body is so bad. That wide body is so hard. What are we doing? We doing a 50 roll or what? Let me let y'all get something here. Oh, I got a hell of a late start. Woo! Get him, G8! Get him, G8! Taking them tollways really help out everybody a lot. You know, we ain't gotta go through traffic or nothing. We just out here just doing our thing. Man, y'all see them? We literally just hopped on the highway and we're already gaining a whole couple of people. Like, oh snap! What the heck? But yeah, we is on the way to the location where everybody's meeting up at. We're gonna see some fast cars. We're gonna see some lovely rides. Y'all knows it. Alright guys, we is finally pulling in, and as you can see, we have made it to the location. Oh my God, this thing is already packed. Gosh. I know y'all's ready to see some fast cars and some lovely rides. Yes, sir. They see us coming in. Oh my God. They see us coming deep. Woo! Big Charger. Big wide bodies in the cut. Guys, check out that TRX. Man, this thing is packed on God, no cap. This thing is insane. Look at all the love everybody's showing. Woo! My God! There's even a back party. Oh! We got the party over here. Yes, sir, Ski. You knows it. Woo! You know we can't get no copyright over here, man. They got the music playing loud. It's crazy. Bro, is that Ranger on Steelies? Thought I was tripping. Oh my God, bro. Check out this truck though. That thing is freaking nasty. What the heck am I here? Look at Boss Man over here. I fucks with it. My boy getting down. My boy getting down for the camera. Oh God, I fucks with it. Woo! Big mirror, big Mustang, big Charger. You knows it. We gonna get our little lineup park right here. Let me go ahead and reverse in. Ooh. Dang, this is tight. This is tight, but we gonna squeeze in for sure. Man, it looks so lovely out here. It looks like a whole freaking movie theater out here. I ain't even gonna lie to you guys. Man. Y'all can't tell me this don't look lovely. Y'all cannot tell me this don't look lovely. Behan. Oh my God, that thing sounds neat. Look at that boy. That big wide body with them fatties on it. Big wide body.
My grill fell off. That's great.
Bro, what the hell? Now you gotta order another grill. God. I was out there go back at the road. Oh, don't hit me. Don't hit me. Dang. Man, this is lovely out here, man. For a Houston car meet, this is just the beginning of it. Check out that lineup. I gotta get my thumbnail in. I gotta make sure I get my thumbnail on God, I ain't gonna lie to you. Then they got a whole lineup of Mustang with Camaros in here. Bro, check out that Volkswagen though. That thing is... I ain't gonna lie to you. packed as I thought it would be, but it was like a little family event that they had going on tonight. So yeah, y'all just look at that view of Houston though. Hold up. Man, y'all go ahead, y'all know what to do. Y'all go ahead and leave a subscribe and drop a comment. Smash that like button and stay tuned for our next video. We is out.